Hello everyone, here is Twinkling Stars live room. Thanks a lot for your watching. Here is our live room. So we would like to show you our designs for 2021. Okay, here is the business bags. There are some bags for back to school, and there are also some fancy material like sequin and also transparent PVC. All of these designs were developed by our Twinkling Star handbag. So we are going to show you our factory today without any cost and also without any distance. Okay, follow me. Here is our showroom. We have lots of customers for laptop business bags like Perry Ellis, Samsonite, and also Delsey. Okay, just follow me. Fila is also our main customer. Okay, through the showroom, here is our sales department. Okay. Here's our sales department. There are more than 20 salespeople at our sales department. All sales have to be trained at a sample room so that our sales could be very professional to send the suggestion to our customers. Okay. Okay, here is our workshop office, and we are going to show you. Here is our Boston. Our owner is always praying for peace and love, so we hope we could also do something helpful for our customer. And behind the Boston, there is also a balcony. It's an area for smoking, or sometimes we could have something drink here. So we sincerely invite you to join us to have a rest here. Okay, you could see this area is very suitable. Okay, follow me. Okay, here is our workshop office. The Twinkling Star basic order procedure was here, so if you want to find any people for workshop, you could also go to this warehouse. Okay, here is our sourcing manager, and he is responsible for trims. Okay, for trims purchasing. Okay. Here is another people for QC, but she is outside today. Okay, here is our HR. Okay, follow me. Here is our Vice General Manager. He will plan all the orders for production. Okay, he is our sourcing manager. He is responsible for main body fabric. He has been at Twinkling Star for 21 years. Okay, this one is our workshop manager. He also has a long history at our Twinkling Star. This lady is our QC manager. Okay, so that's all the people at from our workshop. And then don't forget our owner. Okay. Okay, so just follow me. Okay, so this sales department will just come from here. And see here is our owner's office, but he is outside today. And you could see our organization's charger is here, so you could very easy to find our department everyone. Okay. Here's our another department. It includes our outsourcing department, and also one another department is for e-business. Okay. See here, follow me. It's a very traditional Chinese tea table. Do you know there is a word in our local city? We usually said the business for Chenzhou people is confirmed by tea table. So we sincerely invite you to join us if you are convenient. Okay. Here is our outsourcing manager. He also has been at our Chinese staff for 24 years. Okay. Okay, the people here is for e-business, like Amazon or Alibaba. Okay, here is the area for just have a relax. Maybe you could also have some game here, and also could have some lunch, dinner here, sit together here. Okay, you could also have some drink here, or just have some relax. There are two conference room here, and this area is we just come from here. Here is our live room. We just come from here. Okay, so let's go to upstairs to our workshop directly. Okay. 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 Our workshop is in 5th and 4th floor, so we will go to 5th floor firstly. There are 8 production lines at our main factory. Okay. So there is five production lines at 5th floor, so we could have a quickly look. Okay, 5th floor is almost there. Okay. Here is okay for me. Here is our main production line, and you could see it's very bright and very clean here. Each production line will have a QC and also a production leader. The QC will inspect all the quality during the stitching or the production finish, and also the production leader will also check each step is correct or no. Okay, as we just said, there are 16 production lines at our main factory. However, our factory is located in national industry area, so we cannot enlarge the building a lot. So we just purchased another branches this year. Okay, you could see there is some back to school collections, and the production leader is sit there to check the quality. Okay, there will be a QC at the end of production line, and she will check the quality piece by piece. Okay, see here. There is another production line. This bag will ship for our old customer, Microsoft. Okay. Okay, so let's just have a quick look about here, and then we are going to 4th floor to check another workshop. Okay, we could see the samples are here. That's the production line in 5th floor. Okay, you could see there are some samples here, and we also have some signs. Because the samples could be hanged here, all the stitching workers could make better sense how is the sample requirement, and they could know what they can do during the book production. Okay, so let's see the first floor. The production at the first floor is very similar to 5th floor, so let's just have a quick look. Okay, here's the production line at 4th floor, but it's very similar to our 5th floor we just visited. So we will just have a quick look. Okay, so let's go to the warehouse, production warehouse. It's at the 3rd floor. Okay, each production, when they starting to produce, we will have a meeting. This meeting will include our QC manager and also our sample manager and also our sales, so that everyone could tell the production line leader which should be concerned and which should be attention to. Okay, here is our production warehouse. Okay. All of this production will be packed here. Okay, see, there is also some accessory and beauty bags. Okay. This production will ship to South Africa. Okay. As we just visit at our production line, all the production will be delivered to this area after inspection. Just for example, here is first group package area, because the production from the first group, they will be shipped here. Okay, they will ship here and the workers will come here to have the inspection. Okay, so we are going to check our another 2 buildings. As we always said, there are 3 buildings at our main factory. Okay, all the 3 buildings are our own, not renting from any others. So our own building could help us to be more competitive. Okay, so just go downstairs. Okay. Okay, the second floor is we just visit. It's our office area. Okay, so go to the ground to see another 2 buildings. Okay, there is a word here. Okay, let's check here. This word is our Twinkling Stars slogan. Development is the fundamental principle. So we have to move on. We only could keep developing and we only could keep growing. Okay, you could see there is 3 flags here. One is our Twinkling Star and one is China and another Canada. Okay, that's the first building we just visit, and the second is our Twinkling Star workers dormitory. all the workers live here, and our Twinkling Star will offer them breakfast, lunch, and also the dinner. Okay, Twinkling Star is very concerned to our workers' daily life, so we all of the workers are concerned very well by Twinkling Star. Okay, see here is our Twinkling Star gate. Okay, here's another building, the third building. Maybe you are very concerned about why we always said our Twinkling Star have 25 years anniversary, have 25 years history. However, you maybe see the established year in our homepage is 23. Okay, because our Twinkling Star's previous name is Double Star, and before China joined WTO, our Twinkling Star only have the license to be a factory manufacturer, so we don't have the license to export. So we just changed our name to Twinkling Star since 23. So you could see we just said there are some workers from our factory for more than 20 years, such as the sourcing manager we just said, and also our outsourcing manager. Okay, here's our third floor. We want to show you what your most concern is about our sample room. Okay, here is our raw material warehouse, and let's go to our sample room. Okay. There are 6 floors at our list building, so you could see there are also some packing workshop, and also includes our sample room and also office and self-printing workshop. Yes, there is a self-printing workshop at our factory. Because we have another 2 branches, as we just said, sometimes the production produced at our branches, they have to be sent to our main factory to have inspection and also package. So this floor is usually for our inspection and also production package. So we just directly go to our sample room. It's at the 3rd floor. We could directly know how we make samples. Here is our sample room. Okay. Our sample room is also called Research and Design Department. Okay. Let's have a quickly look about our sample room. Firstly, here is stitching area. Here is our designer area. Okay, so I will like to introduce about our sample make process. Okay, follow me. Our sample requirement will be made a paper and then passed to our designer, sample designer. They will arrange like this our sample requirement. And our sample designer will open the paper mold according to their computer system. After that, the paper mold will be cut from this machine. Just for example, this paper, it will have lots of words and also lots of remark here. Like we will write what's the size and what's the material. Also make some mark here. Just focus on here. Okay, there will be some marks here so that we could make sure our stitching could be at the correct position. Okay, after the paper mold already prepared well, they will be sent to our sample cutting area. Okay, here is our sample cutting area. Okay, see here, the paper mold will be sent to here. And there will be a metallic, very heavy, it's super heavy to put the paper and the fabric together so that the paper won't move a lot. Okay, when we cut the material during sample period, they will be cut by hand. But for book production, the cutting will be cut by machine. Okay. You could see the workers will cut according to this paper mold. Okay, this material will be make the fabric and also the paper mold could combine very well. They will be moved a lot. During sample period, this cutting could be also only made by hand. Okay, as we just introduced the mark on the paper mold, the workers also need to cut the triangle, very tiny triangle mark. Okay, after the cutting department here, we will go to stitching. Okay, see here is our stitching area. Okay. The workers will usually sit here to start to stitching their samples. Okay, at our sample room, the workers will usually focus on one item each time, so that they could be very focused on each design, and they could find if there is any problem or any design is not convenient for book production making or not convenient for customer using, and they will send this suggestion to the paper mold designer. So their communication will be very convenient here. Okay, so after the stitching, the sample finish, the lady will check the samples again according to the paper mold. She will check all the samples, each part, and compare with the paper mold again. If there is anything not correct, she will directly tell our paper mold designer. Okay, so that's the process of our sample maker. Okay, so you could directly know how we make samples here. Okay, as we just said, there are also some package area here at this building. However, it's very similar to we just introduced, so we won't show you any again. We just afraid to waste your time. So let's go to the ground to. Yeah, so we just go to the ground. So if you are tired or if you have lots of things on your hand, you don't need to go to the upstairs. Yeah, you just take the lift. Okay. Okay, so here is our raw material warehouse. Okay, we just went to our sample room from the left here. Okay, so that's all the introduction about our factory. Hope this introduction about our factory could help you to better make sense about our sample room's operation, and also help you to be better make sense about our Twinkling Star, our workshop, our sales department, and warehouse. Okay, so we sincerely invite you to our factory if you are convenient. Please feel free to let us know if you have any other questions. Okay, here is our Twinkling Star sketch. There is our name, Chenzhou Twinkling Star handbag. So we sincerely invite you to visit our factory if you are convenient. Okay, so the introduction about our Twinkling Star is almost there. Thanks a lot for your watching, and please feel free to let us know if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for your watching.